Hello guys, today I do have the REDMI Note 15 5G and I'm going to tell you what to do if you have your pattern lock not recognized. The first thing that you have to remember is that you have to be sure that you are inserting the right pattern. If you are sure that you are inserting the right pattern in your device and it still doesn't let you in and you have this red, as you can see, pattern, but you are 100% sure that you do have it here, you need to contact the device support, and here in the device support you need to tell them that you are sure that you are inserting the right pattern lock and you want to have it fixed. They should do it for you for free. But if you are not sure, 100% sure that this is this pattern, you can go to their service, but they take money for just doing a factory reset via the recovery mode. You can do it yourself for free. So of course you also have your data in your device, but you'll have just a working device, so I don't know what's more important, working device or data. It depends of course on you. But to do a factory reset, which is the only way we can fix our phone, is to click the power and volume up and move your finger with this white circle to the power off over here. Now once you feel that your device is turned off, you need to hold the power and volume up button, and then when you feel a vibration, release the power button. Now, as you can see, we have Show Me Hyper Recovery Mode. Here you need to go with the volume down to the wipe data, click power, wipe data, volume down, and power to wipe data, all data. Now you'll have the phone factory resetted and you'll see the setup screen. And while the setup, you need to just log into your own Google account that was previously logged in to have it usable. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.